Today I'm going to show you how to make a hummingbird cake. This is a traditional Jamaican cake. For this recipe, you need plain flour, brown sugar, white sugar, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, cinnamon powder, 3 eggs, pineapples, 2 bananas, vanilla and 1 cup of oil. First, beat 3 eggs with 200 gram of brown sugar and 100 gram of white sugar. Then add 1 cup of vegetable oil, just vegetable oil. Then smash 2 bananas at around 250 grams. Now mix the bananas with that batter. And pineapples, you can add canned pineapple with its juice and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix well. Now 300 gram of plain flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you like, you can add a little bit of salt and mix well. Now time to add dry mixer to the wet mixture. Pecans is roasted pecan, 150 grams. Now divide that batter into 2 9-inch pans and bake 350 for 30 minutes. Now time to make the frosting. 1 stick of butter and 1 stick of cream cheese. That means 125 grams of butter and 200 grams of cream cheese. Beat together and add 500 grams of icing sugar. Add little bit of vanilla. Now cakes are done and cool. Now you can sandwich the cake with cream cheese frosting. Generous amount of cream cheese frosting and pecans. Now time to cover the cake with all remaining cream cheese frosting. Cover all sides and top with the frosting. And you can add the remaining roasted pecans on the top of the cake. Now time to enjoy. This is very moist and sweet, delicious cake with banana and pineapple. Enjoy!